tonight. An unusual storm rolled through our area tonight, heavily impacting the I-95 corridor in Bryan County. Many of you sent us pictures and videos of driving rain and damaging hail. The storm knocked down power lines and sent trees toppling onto homes. And for the past several hours, crews have been working to get the lights back on, and residents have been starting the cleanup process.
Tonight, we are taking a closer look at that process. WSAV's Kyra Jones spent some time with people impacted, and she is joining us live in Richmond Hill with how residents are feeling.
Well, some people who live in the Brisbon Hall community tell me they are just thankful to be alive tonight. Some people are cleaning up the debris, while others are trying to figure out how they will pay for the damages. Residents in the Brisbon Hall community in Richmond Hill pulled out their leaf blowers and brooms, trying to clean up the debris of Wednesday's intense hailstorm. Raina Denny, who lives in this neighborhood, describes the terrifying moments of when the storm first touched down.
So I'm standing at the back door, large glass door, just looking out, and it gets a little dark, and then it's a little windy, and then it starts to sprinkle, and then it gets really dark. And then hail coming down. It was hitting probably every side of the house at once.
Denny says once the storm calmed down, she was able to come out and assess her property. She says she was lucky because a large tree branch almost came down on her house.
So I finally come out and, some small limbs over here, and I'm like, oh, okay, that's crazy. And I go and I look, and the limb is twisted and just dangling, and the other one is snapped and is laying and is just hanging there.
But just a few doors down the road, a woman who didn't want to be on camera wasn't that lucky. She tells me a large tree fell on top of her home, causing significant damage.
The outside, the attic is damaged a little bit. There's a little bit of damage in her bedroom, like on the ceiling area, and there's some wet spots on our downstairs.
Despite the difficulties that lie ahead for some, everyone is just glad that no one was hurt. And Bryan County officials did not report any injuries or significant damage to homes. Reporting live in Richmond Hill, Kyra Jones, WSAV News 3 on your side.